Hey, 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 hey. Hey guys, welcome back to another episode of Drum Fun. I hope we've brought your determination, I hope we've brought your can-do attitude, and I hope we've brought a smile on your face. If this is your first time on this channel, thank you so much for stopping by. This is where we teach you how to play the djembe. Okay, so if you're new here, my name is Tommy. This is Dele. Dele is a character from my book, The Adventures of the Street Kid. Please support the channel by getting a copy of the book on Amazon and give us a very, very cool review. So thank you for joining us again. And today we're going to learn a new beat pattern. This is a really groovy, funky pattern. I love it. And before we start, Billy and I always like to give you a countdown so you can go off, get your instruments, and come back and join us. So in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Ready or not, here we go. Okay, so I'm ready. I've got my djembe. Are you ready, Dele? Dele's ready. He's giving me a thumbs up. And I know that you are ready at home. So remember that if you're finding the beat pattern a little bit tricky, pause, take a break, don't get frustrated, practice, and then you can always come back, okay? Practice makes perfect. So we have 3 minutes to learn this beat. I've got my 3-minute timer and we are going to start. Here we go. This is the beat pattern of today. Beat, tap, beat, tap, tap, beat, tap, beat. That's a little bit tricky, but I know you've got this. You've got it. Watch and listen again. Beat, tap, beat, tap, tap, beat, tap, beat. Right, now let's have it turn together. Slowly. Beat, tap, beat, tap, tap, beat, tap, beat. Let's do that one more time. Let's go. Beat, tap, beat, tap, tap, beat, tap, beat. So, if you want to pause the video and have a quick practice before you join us again, that is fine. So the next stage, I want you to do the beat tap in your head so you can hear the beat pattern. Okay, so I'll have a turn first and then you can join me after. We can have a turn together after. I'll do that one more time. Let's have a turn together. Let's go. One more time. Okay, lots of time. Oh, we still got time. Now, the other challenge is I want us to speed it up just a little bit. So, I'll have a turn. You lot watch and listen, and then we'll have a turn together. Ooh, I'll do that one more time. Let's do that together. Let's go. Yay! Dele, how are you doing over there? Good? Oh, I'm watching the timer. I want us to do it a little bit quicker now. So if you're struggling, it's fine. You can pause, have a practice, then you can join. I'll go first, listen, and then you can join in. Okay, I want you to join me now. That's our beat pattern for today. Don't worry, if it's challenging for you, you just need to practice. Practice on your lats, practice on your shoulder, practice tapping it out. There's so many ways that you can practice to get better, but you cannot stop. Keep practicing, keep going, and before you know it, you will be the best drummer in the world. Thank you so much for joining us. Thank you so much for joining Dele and I. Please continue to go on this journey with us. Support us by getting the Adventures of Billy, the Street Kid book. There's so much more to come on this channel. This is just the first series of what we're going to be doing. So we need your support. Like, subscribe, share, let everybody know about this amazing channel and continue to support us. We are here and we will continue to teach you how to develop your rhythm, how to develop your beat, how to develop the beat pattern. So always remember, join us every Tuesday and Thursday, and bring your determination, bring your smile, and bring your can-do attitude. Whatever you're doing, have a good one. Bye. See you next time.